Hello everybody, and we're gonna do some more Skyden. Hmm, yeah, pretty cool, huh? So I'm having trouble with this thing, so I know how to do it now, so yeah. This is how you do it. I made it all 3 wide because it needs to be 3 wide. I also need some glass. I think we're gonna go to over there. Because, we really need, like, a lot of stuff. The only thing that we don't have a tree. Let me just see something. Okay, the difficulty is normal. So, let me just delete this. So, we could, like, get, like, wood, like, some mobs so we can get a bone meal and stuff. So, I'm gonna be back when I get some bone meal, I guess. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back, and the skeleton right there. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. I'm going. Seriously, skeleton? And they despawned. Oh. Well, I'll be back in a second. We'll actually kill it. I'm back and finally got some bone meal here. So, boom. I got some wood. I only need to grow 1 tree. So that's good. Don't have too much trouble. All I have to do is build that mob spawner that's really, like, bothering me. And I use most of my wooden sword too, so. If I didn't have my wooden sword, that would be a much harder task. But, here we go, and I forgot what I was gonna make. So, pickaxe. And I'm also gonna cut again until I get a lot of cobblestone. So I'll be back in a second. I'm back, and I've got some cobblestone here. And the reason I'm not using dirt, by the way, is because I'm gonna use it for something else. Like, because grass is precious in this game, because there's no ground. So, dirt. I mean, that's totally a word. Meant that is a word. No, sorry. So I'm just gonna build across here to get to the quest building, I'm gonna call it. I'm not sure what else to call it. Yeah. So, let me get some more cobblestone. And by the way, that's just a little sneak peek. I just go up to the sign, then just says, then just break a bunch of stone. So that's what I basically do. So, I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back everyone. I got like a stack of cobblestone. So, I think that should be good enough. I can't believe, like, that it took me a while to get the 64 stone. Now I'm wasting it all. Not technically wasting it. Boo! I'm speechless. Anyways, let me get rid of this torch. What? Whoa. Oh my gosh, that actually looks sick. I'll stay for a second. Boom, 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 boom. I should go out of this. No, I shouldn't, because I'm awesome, like this. Let me actually get out of that. And then, do this like a pro. Yeah, pro. I'm not. Oh well. And I'm almost there, I think. Not sure. Might just have to use dirt as my last resort, but I think about 40 cobblestone is good enough to get over there. Actually, I'm not sure. I'm gonna be cutting it close here. I know there's a lot, but that's like a little long way. So I'm not really sure at all. Know what? I think I might make it. Not really sure though. Oh, it's gonna be close. Will 15 blocks be able to do that? Probably not. Let's be real here. Probably not, so I'll have to get some more cobblestone. Yep. But I think like 10 blocks or so should do it. Okay, so let me count one. Maybe about 12 more blocks, maybe. Boop, 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 boop. I'm gonna go to get some cobblestone. And then I'm gonna get a water bucket, gonna get some sand. That should be good, but I need an ender pearl, I think, for sand. I'm not really sure. I kind of broke it there, as you can see. Not the best, though, but still pretty nice. I'm gonna have to run all the way back there, and wait, sorry, someone was calling. Why was someone calling? I don't know why. But it just happens. Okay, I think 12 should be good enough. Let me just get some extra cobblestone here. And then we'll get to that. I'm gonna get the water and glass, but I'm not sure about the glass. I don't think it's like required or anything. I made it before. It's actually pretty simple. It is really simple. But I'm actually not sure if 12 is gonna be good enough. Hopefully it is. I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna be like really cutting it close. I'm one block off. Thanks. Take this. What? Screwdriver. Whoa. Whoops. Let me grab the string. Just because, why not? Screwdriver. Block breaker timer. Can I like right click you? Hello, stranger. Welcome to Skyden. I'm Fritz. I'm a human boy. Oh, you don't look like one. I like the sunshine. It's so swell to meet you. Thanks. Wait, there's a sign here. Do not remove here, blah, blah. Let me talk to him. Bloop. Hello, little guy. What? Seriously. Bloop, blop. Blop. Blop, blop. More things, blop. Whoa. The no boss. Cool. Do I defeat you at some point? What's this? Is this AdSense? Hi. Is there any quest yet? No. Can I talk to you? Welcome to Den in the Sky. If you're looking for help, we may be able to help you. You scratch our backs and we'll scratch yours, stranger. Speak to the others here and surely they'll have things for you. As the leader of this palace and acting taskmaster, I can also offer you occasional odd jobs. I don't usually pay like the others might, but sometimes experience is worth it. Pup. I want to talk to you. Can I talk to you, pup? Pup, I'm bored. Tell me a story. Wash the edge. What edge? Do not use enchant table and without permission. What's this? Beautiful purple block. Arcanapes. Greetings, stranger. So we're trapped here too, are you? Well, don't lose hope. What survived just fine so far. We'll even build this little place for ourselves. I think you'll find things aren't as bad as they seem. I'm the resident arcanist. If you need help with magical items or I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll do what I can to help you. Please be safe out there. Do not use blah blah blah. Nothing in here. Is there anything in here? No. Any quest yet? No. New face. Have things, want things, some look, many things here. You buy, you sell, you come here. Always welcome. What? What do I do here? The herbalist. Oh, hey stranger, nice to meet you. I'm the soul herbalist in this little Skywood home of ours. I can help you out with rare plants you might have trouble finding on your own. Oh, and if you haven't already, you really should talk to the Knoll boss. He's sort of in charge around here, just a little. Going to parkour. Parkour pro. Yeah, herbalist. I'm doing parkour on your leave. Take that. Not really. I really need to do this parkour. Is there anything else on top? Nope. Why am I going up here now? I don't know. Ooh. It's glitching. Like glitchy stuff. What do we do here? Do we like right click on this? Quest. I don't know what the quest does. There's like water here. Cool. I don't know what we do. Like, I know it's like supposed to be a building for quest, but I'm not really sure how to get to the quest. Do we like stand there on this or something? Right click, shift on it? I'm not sure. Goes downstairs. Wait, maybe I should read the book. That was really a good idea. Let me read the book. Automation. You can now automate the collection from cobblestone from your cobblestone healed hell. Blah. How do you get quests? Oh no. Ah, another one, huh? Well, however you got here, you're stuck here now. But so what? One place is as good as another, so long as you got solid ground underfoot, right? I'm the hunter around here, and if you pitch in, I'll show you the bounty with you. Sorry, boss's order. Can't help you until some door first. I don't know. First things first. Before we can accept you as part of our family here in Skyden, you must prove yourself as we all have. Bloody your hands in battle against the monsters drawn to this realm, and I will complete your nations. So, is there a quest? Oh yeah, the first right. I need 4 rotten flesh, 2 bones, and 2 gunpowder. So, 4 rotten flesh, 2 bones, and 2 gunpowder. And this is perfect. Ooh. Try get me now. Hey. Try get me. kind of respawned.